It offers an ability to get in and exercise all the different components of the aircraft in a benign environment. It's not like flying the aircraft, but it's really as close as we can get to simulating some of the procedural things that we'll do and then some of the visuals outside. What it does do is it allows you to build a sense of familiarity with what to expect. All in all, it was a positive reaction. As a test pilot, that's something that you look forward to, is the opportunity to get to do something new and different, and today was certainly one of those days for Charlie. This week was kind of a culmination for us. It has long been one of our to-do lists to put the customer in the aircraft. So through the effort of a lot of people, stars aligned, and we got it all to come together